fall in love with him.
Cheers.
Don't mind them. See, you just said I'll be now.
Anyway, you know, the true families have actually been together for a long time. Very nice people, and I would rather use this opportunity to toast to our long lasting.
Sure! It's mother!
That's it.
Cheers! Jeff, where are you? Jeff is now a big boy. AKA TYPEWRITER. Original missus.
Hey.
So, how's that daughter? When is she coming back?
Who, you mean Cynthia?
Yes, of course. It looks like she's been away for quite a long time. So you people, do you miss her at all?
What do you mean? In fact, me, I miss her more than any other person. You know Cynthia, she likes to do things her own way.
But then, you have to persuade her to come home and then get herself a man to settle down.
My dear, we've really shown our consent to her and she promised to come home very soon. Yeah.
Oh really? That's good. That's good. That's what I've been digging into the years of my daughter and Hina. And thank God she promised to settle down soon.
You don't mean it. Oh, thank God. Do you know what? I don't even know why. I mean, our children of nowadays, they don't attach so much importance to marriage.
Oh, Anaka. I just don't know. But they are not to be blamed though. See, the good men, I mean the responsible men are not easy to come by. That's what I think. Oh yes.
Responsible?
I mean just look around.
I mean they have to start from somewhere to get there.
It's true.
You can't just one to a man and then you have to start from somewhere. But I pray things work out when they decide to.
These girls, they are our only hope, you know. So, what has this guy been doing over here? Hey, Awaje. Where is he? You boy, come boy, open the gate and come here. You just watered the flowers and left all these refuse and rubbish in here. Why? What's come over you? Abaji! Hurry up, come and sit. Have. So because we told you to water the flowers, you just water and leave the rubbish in here. For what? Oh, come on, get your broom and collect everything over here. Nonsense.
Okay, madam. Please, madam. I was not feeling well yesterday.
Oh, come on, go out! Out of my sight! The tip has saved me. No form. I said, you're all watching them cross. Stupid. Sweetheart, that boy is getting on my nerves. Look at what he's done here. He just watered the flowers and leave all the rubbish in here. Just look at it. I mean, it's too horrible here.
You're angry.
Very. Look, where from you?
Got to go. Got to get out and be away with you.
This is making friends all the time.
Very boring. Nobody's here.
Boring
because daddy's not home. That's why you're here.
Anyway, Alvina, sweetheart, you know I love you. Don't you think it's about time you found yourself a man?
Alright. You know, I'm not ready to settle down now. Yes, when the time is right, I'll get married.
There she goes again. Just don't know. There she goes again. See, when are you going to settle down? Tell me, when are you going to settle down? Avina.
I'm going to start this.
You need to know a man before you get married. You have to start a relationship, not that you're about to get married. Alvina. Huh? Why? Does it sound funny?
No. In that case, you don't have a problem. Because I am already in a relationship.
Oh, you are already in a relationship and you've kept a secret from us?
Yeah, don't worry, Mom. We soon have the pleasure of meeting him, and I'm sure you're going to like him. Also. Very soon, Mommy. Very soon.
Your food is on the table. Hey, Agwaji, what is... Hey, call that Agwaji for me. Oh, my son, you're not enjoying your food at all. Come on, feel free and enjoy it. Why?
Maybe it's feeling shy of you.
Come on, I'm alright. Young man, please tell us about yourself.
My name is Orlando Asante. I'm a graduate of the University of Ghana. So currently I'm unemployed. I live with my younger sister.
What are your parents?
My parents died 7 years ago in a motor accident.
Oh, so sorry, so sorry. Have a sympathy,
So how are you taking care of yourself?
By the grace of God, I do get by, and with the help of a few relatives.
Young man, let me ask you this question. Look me straight in the face and answer. Do you sincerely love my daughter?
Sure, sir. Actually, I love her very much.
Now, you are welcome to this family.
Thank you, sir.
Member of this family.
Good, feel free. But you're always welcome, okay? Daddy's daughter.
Now, enjoy yourself. Enjoy your meal.
Good. Extra old. I saw it myself in the bathroom this morning and I hid it.
Don't worry, I will take care of it. Darling, you know,
Can we invite Alvina? I want to know more about the relationship between her and that young guy.
Hi, Mommy.
Sinada. Hi, sweetheart. Are you going out? No.
We want to
we want to have a word with you. Can you come over?
That's better.
Please. Please, my girl. That's it. Thank you. Are you sure that hat or cap is not mine? Oh my goodness, look at your tummy! No, you better watch your diet. Why? Oh! My goodness! Too bad.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Sit at. Take a seat, darling.
Ooh,
Baby girl. Now tell me. What do you think about that young man? Can you trust him?
Yes, Daddy. So far, he's done nothing for me to doubt him. And only you can trust him.
Okay. Well, to me, he's a gentleman. And he looks responsible as well.
Yes. Orlando is very, very responsible. It's just that he's got a little problem. Financial problem.
Hi, baby. Don't worry about that, huh? I've already thought about that and I have some plans in place.
You don't mean it, Daddy. Guys, I've seen it.
Daddy's daughter. That you have to go on diet. It's serious. How can
Thank you, Daddy.
Look at your tummy at your age. You want it to be as mine?
One the best for you, Dad.
You're great.
You going to town?
No, I want to go see a few friends.
Take care. Albina,
Yeah.
you were telling me something about two of your friends who are...
You won't believe it. Two best friends dating the same man.
What?
Yeah, they went to the same school. They were my mates.
Jeez.
And I told the closest one that you should forget about this car. Can you imagine what she told me? She has invested so much in the car.
Oh,
Her time, her money, energy, and so forth.
if I was the first one, I would have crushed the second one into pieces.
The problem is they don't know this.
Jesus! The guy is a bit talky.
Think my time ago. Anyway, where did you say he was going?
A friend of his came picking up this morning. Actually, didn't tell me where they were going. But he'll be back soon. We're gonna wait for him, right?
No, I think I gotta go. Okay. Gotta go. What I'll do is I'll call you again. Oh, you see. I need to go. This is the appointment letter from the secretary.
Me? A secretary?
Yeah.
Oh, Alvina!
Don't leave me
Sorry, thank you. No, secretary. I can't wait for my brother to hear this. Jesus! Hey! Wow.
You know something? No. Please. Open the gate for me as usual. I hope we'll see tomorrow. I'll call again, okay?
So, Orlando, when are you going to settle down with Alvina as a husband and wife?
It will be very soon. Very, very soon.
That will be a welcome news.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Because we are eager. Very, very eager. But at the same time, if you have any problems, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll do everything possible to support you. Yes, Shakespeare. Indeed, Shakespeare would say that it is only marriage that guarantees the path of a love relationship. And I must say, I agree with him on that point.
That's very true, sir. We'll give this a serious thought, and when we've been able to arrive at a decision, I'll let you and Mom know.
Just that I am eager to see that day come. I bet you that day, hey, you, Mr. Ubebu saw mommy, and that day, me channel, yeah. Mama, you tea and I make yourself for the so for any need you be. Oh, God.
and pop it and
Cynthia is looking so cute. Yes. Make sure you don't eat now that you are back, Watch your diet, okay? You're looking good. I can't wait to meet you. And you see your friend Alvina.
Thank you.
She's
Alright, let us now toast to the homecoming of my lovely daughter, Cynthia. Yes. Welcome home, Cynthia.
Cheers. Come on.
Cheers, my
looking good. Come on, please, for you. This is a reunification of our love.
Yes.
Let me give it to you. My husband for me. That's true. I want to be by my husband. I want to stay with your friend. Junior brother, who is James?
It's a good thing. Let the poor boy get
Let's have a thing here. Let's have a thing here.
You don't know.
Yes.
What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? What's your flavor? Tell me what's
Why have you been keeping away from me these days?
Sweetheart, it's nothing. Okay? It's just that one of my closest friends just came back from the States. And she insists that I spend some time with her. Okay? Darling, I'm sorry if I hurt you.
I'm always gonna look at your pretty face and
Please, I'm so sorry.
it's okay. It's okay. I just need a tissue to wipe this off.
Your shirt is stained. Like, would you mind if you drive to my house so I can, change that shirt for you?
Your house?
Yeah, my house. I just live around the corner from here.
Okay, if you insist.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No, it's okay. I should rather be the one to apologize. You know, I bumped into you.
Fit you perfect.
Yeah. Anyway, my name is Orlando.
Orlando. Well, call me Cynthia. And nice meeting you.
Are you sure?
Maybe. Well, just 1 minute. This is my car. Want to get to know you better.
I see. I'll definitely call you sometime.
Please, do not keep me waiting.
Well, I should be asking leave of you now.
Are you sure?
I've taken a lot of your time already.
Oh, not much. Just 1 minute. I'll grab my keys and I'll drop you. Okay.
Sure.
I can't even stand the weather.
Look, this is Africa.
I know.
Your homeland. Maybe you just have to get used to it, that's all.
I'll try. Hey, is that young lady your sister?
Who, Asantwa? Oh, that's my kid sister.
Oh, okay. She's alright.
We live here all alone.
Alone?
I'm cool.
You sure? Sure. So it's on.
Let me fix you something.
I had this strong feeling for you since I bumped into you that day at the shop.
Really?
Yeah. Why really?
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, it's a feeling for you. My memories are full of your pictures.
Are you sure? Look, Cynthia, I I don't like to be flattered.
Serious?
Are you sure?
Sure. It's just proving in love with you.
Beautiful women.
Nice. It's a lot of
Come on, I was only pulling your legs.
You're gonna be happy. It's so nice. Come on.
What are you girls talking about?
Oh, no. Ladies talk.
I don't like it when you gossip. I don't like it. Okay, I'll be with you in a moment. Okay? just having a little fun. That's all. It's nothing serious.
Do you call this fun? It is wrong! Do you know how many times Alvina has come here only to meet your absence?
And do you know what Alvina has been doing behind me? Do I live in her house? Why are you talking as if...
Jesus! Just count me out!
Is your brother around?
No. I mean, he's gone out.
So why is your brother treating me like this? Why is Orlando doing this to me? Why? He has no time for me these days. Has he told you if I have offended him in any way?
No. Maybe he's busy.
Busy? Busy doing what? I just don't understand. When he comes, tell him to call me. Atatwa.
Yes.
Have this money, okay?
Thank you.
Please tell him to call me. I beg you.
Marina, God bless you. You are so kind. If it hadn't been you and your parents, what would we have done?
No problem. Doesn't matter, okay?
Listen, I've not been avoiding you. I've just been busy taking care of some business with some friends. That's all. That's why I didn't see you. I'm sorry, okay?
Are you sure?
Cross my heart. I've told you that I'm all yours.
I haven't seen her for some time now. You know, I've been too busy with my fiance.
What did you say?
Mom, come on, you heard me. I said my fiance.
Daddy, do you know she has a fiance?
Fiancé? How can I know if she has refused to let us into her life? My dear.
I'm so happy. So, who is this guy?
Dad, Mom, you don't know him. His name is Orlando.
Orlando?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll bring him on one day so you can get to meet him, okay?
My dear, that's the best idea. You know your father and I have been so worried about you settling down. So I think... I'm so happy.
Daddy, is that okay?
I'm okay. Let's just see him.
I'm off to the salon, okay? I'll be back before lunch.
Finally.
I'm just hoping that your father will like me.
You will. Wait and see if he likes you. Okay? No need to worry about that.
I know fathers are sometimes overprotective.
Oh. Good day, young man.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Lovely. Sit down, sit down.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Beautiful.
So, you are the young man my daughter has been talking about, eh?
Actually, you have a very beautiful daughter.
Just like your mother. That's great. Anyway, my daughter has told me so much about you. Quite impressive. I'm glad I'm meeting you for the first time. So, what do you do for a living?
Well, actually, I'm a graduate from the University of Ghana.
All right.
Currently, I'm just trying to find my feet.
Brilliant.
Sounds interesting.
Hey, this thing. Hey, cars. Everyday new inventions. Oh God, these people will kill us with their cars. So, how is our daughter, Cynthia? It's been a long time I set eyes on her. And don't tell me she's gone back without my knowledge.
How could she? How could she live without letting you know? You know she's trying to, accomplish the purpose for which we sent for her.
I don't understand. What purpose?
My dear, my daughter is now in a serious relationship.
Hey!
With a handsome guy.
Hallelujah!
And guess what? They will soon get married.
Hallelujah! Are you from Mama? That's great. Oh, really? Oh, I can't wait to see them get married. I told you, I'm happy for you.
What about Alvina? Is she still planning to get married to,
sweetheart?
as she told me.
Hey, sweetheart. That marriage is absolutely, categorically, specifically coming on.
Tell me.
Not two ways about that.
Praise God.
And that man, he's such a caring and a perfect gentleman. I tell you.
Thank God for our daughter.
Oh.
And may his will be done in their lives.
At long last. At long last. Hey, I'm waiting for that day. Are you from, Mommy?
Orlando, I think I'd rather have to tell you, you're part of this family now. And I think it's time for us to officially accept you. In fact, Orlando, you see this very beautiful 4x4? bought it. And I bought it for you. Yes. To show my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for the joy you brought into the life of my daughter. This is for you. And that's the key. Let's go. He seems to like it. That's a lovely guy. Very lovely. Wonderful, isn't it?
Thank you so much, sir.
Hi, Cynthia.
So how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah. Come on.
Orlando. Nice stuff.
You like it?
I like it. And whose car is that?
A friend of mine.
Oh, honey, come on. I think my dad has given me one.
Like this, huh?
It's cute.
he has about 6 or 7 cars.
And he gave it to you?
Just for a while, for a little while. You want me to give you a ride?
Come on, we have nothing here. Please, please.
Okay. Yeah.
Please don't do that. Come on, be the gentleman.
Yes, you know me, I've always been a gentleman. Yeah. That's my queen. There we go. I think I have the keys. Yeah.
You have the key?
Yeah, sure. I keep it just in case you want to drive.
Hi, Cynthia. How are you?
I am not fine. Anything?
Yeah, I'm here to see Orlando.
He is not in.
Did he tell you when?
Hey! Cynthia or whoever your name is. My brother goes out and comes in as he pleases.
Well, can I leave a message, please?
Just look at me. Do I look like your messenger? In fact, I don't like the way you and my brother have been ordering me around. Nonsense.
Well, if you have a problem, deal with him. And also let him know I was here. Thank you.
Alvina, what's wrong?
Do you really love me?
Yes, I do. Look, I love you, and I will do anything to keep you. Why do you ask?
It's just that I feel there's something going on somewhere.
Nothing is going wrong anywhere, okay? Nothing. Alright? I love you. Read my lips. I said I love you.
Are you sure?
Cross my heart. Baby. Come on, sit down. Enjoy the drink.
Oh, I like your ring.
Don't worry, I'll give you one.
Please. No, right now.
No.
But hey, Cindy. Tell me, how did you meet this guy who has suddenly stolen your heart?
Do you really want to know?
I want to know.
I just don't understand
how did it hold you?
You know, swept me off from my feet. His love, it's so magical.
Oh, Sandy, I can't wait to see this guy. I can't wait to meet him.
Look at me now. You know me, Cynthia.
With me, girl.
Come on. You know, I have met guys upon guys. The tall, the short, the fat, the skinny. Even, you know, in between.
Take it.
Hey, girlfriend, come on. Hey, but hey, this guy, he is damn hot. And even the way he smiles just turns me on.
So do your parents know me?
Yeah, my daddy knows. But then, guess what? My dad bought him a brand new car.
What? A car? For what?
For what? To show, you know, to show their appreciation. And come on, they're even planning to do a bigger thing for him. Come on, you know me, daddy's daughter.
Oh, yeah. I am so happy for you.
I'm happy for you
too. I am.
And hey, so how far is your wedding preparation?
Oh, we're still working the details out. And Cindy, please, would you be my maid of honor?
Are you asking me or you telling me just do it for me?
I'm asking you.
You're not serious, girlfriend. I will for you. Come on, just get up. Give me a hug.
Ready?
Baby.
Oh, you don't need it.
I will. Mwah. Oh, I'm so happy. Hey, come on, let's make a toast. You know, to a happy relationship. Come on,
I'm ready.
Ready.
Don't tell me you're going out again.
You're going out, Mom. Can't you give this guy a breathing space? Oh, come on, Mom. You know he's my handbag. When I sit, that's when he sits.
I hear you. Okay, you enjoy yourself, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
You remember school days?
Yeah, I remember. Madam, you think I'll forget this?
Forget it too. Sweetheart, are you from town or something like that?
Yes, my dear. I just came back from town and thought of rest. I mean, I have to rest a while before coming to see you, you know.
So, where is everybody? The children? I mean, where's everybody?
Oh, Jeff left last night, and Cynthia and the fiancé just went out. Did you see them in the lemon green car?
That's lemon green car we just passed. Oh, I see. I see.
Yeah.
Oh, so where is her husband?
My dear, as usual, he's going to make the money for me to spend.
Sleeping with my man?
Your what? Your man? I'm not married with your man.
Calm down, baby. Just calm down. Calm down.
How dare you guys to celebrate? How dare you?
Alvina.
Hey! Where do you think you are going? Huh? Get in.
Cynthia.
Don't touch me! Don't talk to me, please.
I think you gotta calm down and listen.
And listen, next time you will see.
Cynthia.
What a surprise! I was about to call you. Yes. Let me say, yes, in about 30 minutes. Yes. I'll be done about 30 minutes. Oh, are you sure? No. Oh my God. What was that? Hold on. Where's Abadi? Hey, Abadi.
Madam.
Go and open the gate. Hello? Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. I'll talk to myself then. Okay. okay? You really missed me. I'm going out right now. You Abuaju, who gave you those slippers? Huh? Who gave those slippers to you? Avina! 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 Why are you crying? Vina! Where is she? Oh, Vina, my sweet girl. Oh, Vina, talk to me. What's happening? What's the matter? Come on, sweet girl. What's the matter? Come on, Vina, look at my face and talk to me. Come on, you know I'll do everything for you. Why are you crying? Huh? What's the matter? Talk to me! Look at me! I'm your mother! Come on, love me. Yes. It's alright, it's alright, it's okay.
Cynthia is giving you advantage.
Jesus Christ!
What's the matter I did this afternoon?
Oh my God, what am I hearing? Cynthia of all people? Come on, that's alright. Cynthia of all people? What am I hearing?
Mom, look. After all the love that I gave him, this is my reward.
He's not the only man in this world. Dry your tears. It's okay, honey.
So you know how much I love you.
No.
It's my hope.
I know.
It's my dream and my hope.
I know. I know, okay? I know you are hurt. But stop crying, okay? There is still hope. Stop crying, stop crying. Come on, little girl, sweet. Oh my goodness. Don't harm yourself. Vina, you're going to harm yourself. Stop it. Come on, stop that. He's not the only person in this world. Come on, stop that.
Mommy.
Come on, sweetheart. Do this to me. You know I love you. Yeah? You know we have your welfare at heart. Come on, sweetheart. Do this to me. Get up. Sweetheart, get up. Cynthia, I'm disappointed in you. I am highly disappointed in you, Cynthia. How could you do this to your own friend Alvina? Hey, Alvina is even more than a sister to you than a friend.
Gladys, what is your problem? Why are you shouting at my daughter?
Ask that harlot. Ask that harlot of yours and then show up.
Excuse me! Excuse me! How dare you walk into my house and call me a harlot? It's your mother, your father, who is the harlot. Nonsense! Fuck that!
Ajwa, you and your husband are sitting there looking at your daughter, insulting me right in my face.
Deserve it. How could you have come into this house and insult my daughter? You deserve it.
I deserve it. Thank you. Chumesi. And Kamushi. Huh? It's one direction. You are looking at your daughter to insult me. Right in my face. Oh, and you could be a joke. And you're
You this woman. People have been telling me how arrogant and stupid and foolish woman you are. You dare walk into my house and come and rain insults on my daughter and you call me Tabo? What do you mean? Foolish woman! Now get out of my house!
Be a foolish woman. It's so.
You are full of worms and tetanus. Look! Now out! Out!
And you're my wine?
Oh, get out with it.
I show what's up for I show what's up for Push to not cover the bumper. Shapropo. Shumbui. You, I will deal with you, Cynthia. I will deal with you.
Now out. Go.
I will deal with you, Master.
Go.
See. Make sure when you down with the dream, bro.
Look at you.
Make sure I feel what you
Look, tell your back. You are drooping with worms.
Nyinyi fuwa ni mama. Woo, koskula kwa bana mama. Saba na shopra.
Turn your back.
Woo!
Turn your back.
Ashawo kekele.
Turn your back.
Ashawo kekele.
Amigo.
See what I will do to you.
Gogori.
You will see what I will do. You are the
Gogomi.
You two sit down.
You are cooking with worms.
I show us of you. I will deal with you people.
Oh, la la. Get out! Get out! Get out!
Fish.
You are drooping.
It's so. And you are good.
Foolish woman. Look how you are raining with worms and titano.
Nonsense.
Nonsense. Hey, and you.
Daddy, it wasn't my fault. I didn't know. So please, don't blame me. Can you imagine that foolish man Chumesi and his wife referring to you and I as useless?
Chumesi, ordinary Chumesi, referring to me as useless.
You won't believe it. You won't believe it.
I think these people have beaten more than they can chew, and I'm not going to stand in this time. I will be there to really silence him once and for all.
I went there.
Who's that?
Abaji.
Madam.
Where is he?
Yes.
I went there and tried to find out what was going on between you.
You mean ordinary Chumesi had the audacity with his bloated face like that of a pig and insulted me?
You now have the audacity to come to this house,
Tell this silly woman that you call her wife. This maggot never to cross my path. Hey, yes, never to cross. And I tell you, they should be ready to fight to the last minute.
Minta, Jeff, please, first aid. God, my dear.
Me, Chumasi. They don't know. I will deal with them. I will finish now, deal with them. Well.
What the hell are you doing? What do you want from this house?
Now you son of a bitch! Give me my car keys! Just give me my car keys! Give me my car keys! I said give me the car keys! Come on, give me my car keys! Give me the car keys! Hey, go! Go! You fool! You think you can get my daughter and treat her like a daughter?
Hey, Orlando. Since you decided to make this family go on, get me right. Now leave this house. Leave. Leave this house. Get out of here. And you. This is the very first and last time I want to see you with this boy. Shut up. Don't touch it.
Tell me to shut up.
Don't touch it. You, if I ever see you with this boy again, idiot, nonsense, enough is what? This is the last time. I don't want to see you with this. This boy has been using you a gold digger like him, and he's been walking over you like a doormat.
Daddy!
Will you shut up?
Don't tell me to shut up. I can do whatever I want. Please.
Look at this thing. You will make me disown you, and you will never get anything of
No,
you.
you can't do anything to me. Enough is enough.
Look at this thing. She has the impudence to walk out.
Today's children.
Is it your daughter?
Stupid gold digger. What are you doing here?
Shut up! You useless garbage.
Leave this house!
Get off. You fool. You think that you could just walk into my daughter's life and then do whatever you like to say? Huh? Look, by the time I am finished with you, you will not live to tell the story. You hear that? No. Clear off. Clear off. Clear off. Clear off. Timberland, clear off. Come. Clear off. I say shut up and get off to my black. Damn you. Donkey face. Do you understand simple English? Clear off.
Are you still standing there? You heard? Didn't you? Come on, leave! Out! Come on, out of my sight! Hey, out! We turn out! Nonsense! Out! So we turn. Cheated on me. Come on, leave! That was the one here at Jacket before. We are Jacabona. School out, come on, the Bamba, Savannah. Push nobody. Mam, when you da Brabeni. Leave!
You are
Alright? Then you can choose to sleep on the street or declare yourself refugees. Or you can rot in hell all night. Come on!
Exactly what you sow. But when you throw a ball against the wall, it bounces back to you. You better watch what you do. You reap exactly what you sow. Exactly what you sow. But when you throw a ball against the wall, it bounces back to you. Bounces back. As the saying goes, you reap exactly what you sow. Oh. But when you throw a ball against the wall, it bounces back to you. Back to you. So better watch what you do.
I warned you, but you won't listen. Because of that prostitute you call a girlfriend. See how we've ended.
You better get a place for us to sleep. You better get a place for us to sleep, Orlando.
You're looking at me. You can't even take care of me. Don't mention my name. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You can't even take care of me. You are taking care of your girlfriends. Just because our parents are dead, you think that is all?
Great Olam! Right, you traveling? Where you going?
Don't worry, I'll tell you when we're
Don't worry, let's go. Oh, take it easy.
This was how we were just kicked out of the house.
So, what is he decided?
Honestly, I don't know what to do. Ask me that too. What's my sister for a little while until I get a new house.
No problem. No problem, no. Don't worry. Why didn't you two stay with us until you get a new place to live? Hola.
I've been looking for you everywhere. How are you?
What do you want?
What do I want from you? Come on. You know what my father, my brother did to you? You know, I know it was wrong. Come on, they are very, very sorry, especially my father. And he really want to see us, you know, back together again.
As far as I am concerned, between you and I, it is over. Okay? It's finished. I said I don't love you anymore. You don't love me. Your parents cannot turn me into a punching bag and be slapping me at will, hitting me anytime they want.
I said, you know, they are very, very sorry. And you know I love you.
Look. I don't love you anymore. That's what I said. It is over. Here, it is finished.
So since you're telling me it's over, what do you want me to do now? Since, you know, I told you I love you and you know that. You know I love you.
Go burn the sea.
Did I hear you right?
Olan. Back.
Started sleeping with my friend, man. What is wrong with you?
What is your beef, brother? Tell me, what is your beef? If you had listened to me when you were playing hide and seek with me, this wouldn't have happened, right? Maybe that is my little appreciation to what you did.
Sandra, couldn't you have used a better means to show appreciation rather than sleeping with him? Are you so cheap, Sandra?
Orlando, you played your game. Now is my time.
Are you? What is wrong with you? When I talk, you talk back to me. You think I'm a psycho? Are you stupid? Are you a prostitute?
Sometimes you do wrong when your mind is gone, when you have to go on. When the road is so long, and now time to the point where you feel the pain of that hurt you've caused. It comes the time to pay the price.
Where do you think you're going?
To wherever I'll find peace and happiness.
Are you not happy?
I can see you've decided not to make me happy, so I better leave.
Sato, what has come over you? What has come over you?
Nothing!
When you throw a ball against the wall, it bounces back to you. Bounces back to you. You reap exactly what you sow. Exactly what you sow. Cause when you throw a ball against the wall, it bounces back to you. You better watch what you do. You reap exactly what you sow. Exactly what you sow. Cause when you throw a ball against the wall, it bounces back to you. Bounces back. As the saying goes, you reap exactly what you sow. Oh, cause when you throw a ball against the wall, it bounces back to you. Back to you. So better watch what you do.
Ola, tell me, how can you just allow this girl to go without knowing where exactly she's going?
Look, I tried to stop her, but she won't budge. Look, Asantua has suddenly grown so stubborn.
Tell me, Nolan, are you sure you never had any fight with her?
You know me. I can't do such a thing. I didn't.
Alright, let's go in search of her because this town is very risky and it's not advisable for that girl to wander around.
Asantua is a big girl. She's old enough to take care of herself. I mean,
just pick up the
she
thing and
will
just go.
come back. How was your trip anyway?
Trip?
It was fine.
Yeah, I'm the guy you met at the supermarket 2 days ago.
What can I do for you?
I just want us to be friends. As friends.
Friends? Okay. My friend. Is that all?
You know, so where do you live? In case I want where can I see you? I want to.
Do you think it's important? Excuse me.
Hello, excuse me, hello?
You mean Alvina?
Yeah, Alvina.
She's my daughter. Anything?
She's my friend. I just came for a visit.
Oh, a friend? Anyway, she just went out and I hope she wouldn't keep long. But if you wouldn't mind, you can come in and sit down.
That would be a problem. I like to.
It's no presumption. We make too much of presumption. We expect things to happen the way we think they must happen. In the operating in faith, faith is not presumption. Number two, faith does not operate in unforgiveness. Dangers of faith. Faith does not operate in unforgiveness.
What did you say the name is?
Mark 11, when we talk of the
Just
faith
relax.
chapter, Mark 11, verse 23, 24. In verse 25, it says, but while you are praying, if you have something out against somebody, forgive the person. Forgive the person, otherwise the unforgiveness will nullify your prayer. So the second danger of faith is unforgiveness. We must all learn to forgive. It's very difficult. So you have to do it.
Hi everybody. There she comes. Yeah, Daddy's daughter. I know she'll give it to him first. Fine, sweetheart. Did you see your visitor? He's been waiting for you for about 2 hours. Don't you know him?
What are you doing in my house?
Hi, Alvina.
Visit me for what? Huh? How can you come to my parents and tell them you're my friend? Huh?
Why do you know me? Listen, I don't know you. I don't even know your name and
Excuse me. Excuse me. Alvina, why don't you calm down and ask the young man his mission? Huh? I know his mission. What is his mission?
He loves me and that's all.
Alvina, look, iron sharpens iron. You know that? See, what you need now is another man to revitalize you. After all the fishes in the sea are not of the same kind.
I don't need any fish. I've had enough.
Alvina, my daughter, we can instead just look, life is about taking a risk. That's what life is all about before one succeeds. I took it before meeting your father. And you must also take it before meeting the man of your choice. You know that? And remember that these days, good men come in bad shapes. Okay? Alvina, be tolerable. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Go and talk to him, okay? Give it a second thought. Just calm down. Please don't push me. Please. Alvina, I'm talking to you as just think about it. Give it a second thought. See, you are not going to be like this forever. Sorry for my daughter's behavior, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry. I guess she must be irritated. I'm sorry for.
No, I'm okay. Thank you so much, man.
Oh, you got it.
Okay.
Let me see
Yeah, it's alright. See you again.
I hope you're not offended. You're always welcome, okay? Alright. See ya.
Thank you.
Bye.
What's up, bro?
Are you alright?
Yeah.
How did you go with the lady?
Very bad. Very, very bad. Never been made so uncomfortable in my life like this beautiful day.
Wait a minute. sometimes they behave like this, but I'm sure with time she'll change her mind.
I hope so. I hope so, Amanda. Because I will never rest until I win her. I know you. I know you. Come on, come sit down.
All I need is one who's really
so hostile to me. Because, why?
Okay, you know, I've had enough of men. Yes, and you know, men in general, including you yourself. Yes, and listen, you're nothing but a pain. Because I'm not ready for any relationship.
Give me the chance.
Yeah. You never give up, right?
That's what my dad taught me. When you're happy for something, don't give up, just go.
Okay, I give you a little chance to prove yourself.
Are you trying to say I'm now in the basket? You know what? I'll prove it to you.
Make you leave my house.
Avina, look,
Leave my house?
I just came to apologize.
Apologize for what?
I'm really sorry for everything.
You haven't wronged me, have you? You haven't, okay? We have nothing to say. Please, leave my house.
I just want to say...
Orlando, leave my house, okay?
I'm sorry.
Okay, I feel right. I think I have better things doing inside. Since you're not ready to leave, you can stay until whenever, alright?
owner.
Bro, I smell the scent of a woman in this house.
Hi, sweetness. Come meet. Alright. Test my boom, boom. Go get it, get it. What's going on? Alvina! Alvina, listen. Oscar!
Open the door, let me get out! Do you understand?
There's something you need to know. There's something I need to know. Chikami. So wait over there and explain everything to me.
So he sent you to come and have a share in me, isn't it?
I don't understand what you're talking about, you get me? I don't know what is between you and Orlando. So tell me and explain everything to me. I need to know. We just had a misunderstanding when you left, you know. And I got this. What I want to know is tell me what is between the two of you.
And he did this to you?
You want me not to see you again? What is going on between the two of you?
Let's get inside. Can I take care of the wounds? Okay.
Tell me what is going on between the two of you.
Let's get inside.
but I'm warning you. Stay away from that girl.
Hold on, listen to me. I am better off without you than to lose her. How could you say that? Two girls at the same time? She were greedy. She were bloody greedy.
Is that why you are sleeping with my only sister and trying to take away the only girl I've ever loved in my life?
You're talking about love. Do you know what love is? Hold on, I know you. Do you know what love is? Just get the hell out of our house. Just leave. Leave.
See nothing. Do you get me? You will see. Hey. Make sure you take it. Damn. We shall see what?
Me now, everywhere I go, Oscar, hey, you've heard of Oscar, all my friends calling me Oscar, we heard you make back time, come on girl, thank you so much, do you hear me? So beautiful, wow. Thank you for everything you've done for me.
Hi, Daddy. So how did I be watching us?
No. Oscar, how are you? I'm doing fine, sir.
Oscar?
Sir?
I have been observing your work for the past few months, and I must say, I am impressed.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
An official vehicle will be made available to you by next week.
Oh, Daddy!
Sir, a car?
Yeah.
Oh, you've kept it a secret all this while.
Yes, I can.
Thank you so much, my
sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. I've been super done for me. Oh God!
Oh, that's not like you, Dad. But again, I hope you're happy now.
Yes, I am.
Good girl. Why don't we invite him to dinner? Let's make it tonight with the family tomorrow.
Thank you so much, sir. I mean, you know what you done for me, huh? Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Alright, I see you. Enjoy yourself.
What did you do? It's about me. It's about me.
Well. What a surprise.
How are you?
Fine.
Cynthia, you know, I was going out when he came in. So I would like you to go straight to the reason why you're here so that I can go out.
Oscar. I'm
Make me laugh, girl. I think you missed your way when you got to the sea junction. Because what I want you to know is that I'm not responsible for that thing you're carrying in your tummy. Do you get me? So go out to the street and look for the one who is responsible for it.
Wait. Are you saying you are not responsible for this pregnancy?
You heard me. Asantua, you heard me. And let me make one thing clear to you. What happened between us was a mistake. Do you get me? So what I want you to know is put the past behind you. Start afresh. Because I'm not responsible for what you have in your tummy. Go out to the street, go to your sex mates and ask them, the one who is responsible for that thing. Whatever you carrying in your tummy.
Bravo, Oscar. Are you ready to lose everything that you have?
Did you say this?
Why are you being stubborn? Just accept this pregnancy. Or I would have no alternative but to let Alvina know. Good night.
Santua, just come back. You know you can't just leave like that. Come back. You know what? We can settle this amicably, you know. Why don't you meet me around 4 to 5? No, 7 to 8. Here at the Royal Hotel, so that we talk this thing out, please. Yeah, I'm sure. 7 to 8, as I say. She's going. Let me give her a little. Hey.
Why didn't you turn up at the hotel? I hope you brought the money.
Yeah, I brought the money. But let me tell you what. This closes the chapter on this issue. Try to blackmail me again. I will personally kill you.
Don't worry. It's a done deal. Money.
Explain everything to you. We'll explain everything to you.
Explain it to yourself, for Christ's sake. And I'm telling you, don't ever step into my house again. Don't! And if you dare, you're dead now.
Please, I will explain everything to you.
Explain what? Huh?
Avina! Listen, Avina!
How could you insult my mother? How dare you? Do you know how much this car is? Listen to me. Do
dare you? How could you?
What am I making?
You try to insult my mother. How dare you?
Yes, sir. I would have to tell you what I am. Okay, you know what you're okay, you watch it out. Don't fuck us, I said to me. No sense. Sure, I don't give a damn that is a lady. Come back.
Oh, you don't care?
Touch it. You can't. Hold it. I said, don't touch it. I have you arrested. Do you hear me? Never go there. Relax. Sure. Relax. You can never arrest me. Relax.
Just shut up.
It's okay. Just relax. Hey, don't give a damn. Don't give a damn. Listen to me. It's okay. I know you don't. Listen, lady, you don't have to talk to her like that. What you got? It's okay. You touch her. Listen, when you touch her, I will have you arrested. Do you hear me? Wait to me. Relax. It's okay. Just relax. It's okay.
You can't do anything to me. You can't do nothing.
It's okay. Don't touch her. Do you get me? Don't touch her because if you touch her, it's okay. Relax. Just pick up the motor, please. Let me have to pick it up. It's okay. Relax.
You cannot do anything.
It's okay, sister. It's okay. Just relax and calm down.
How dare you?
Please. Just let me help you. We are in it. Is that the video on here?
Go down and pick your pen up.
I think he is. That is nonsense.
Pick your pen and let's go.
Oh God, it's too heavy. Oh,
hey, watch the car.
Okay, relax. Nonsense. Should I give you a push? Oh, some muka here. All right, okay. Just get down and let's go.
Watch it.
It's okay, sister. Relax, please. Relax. Oh, because I said you're wrong. Put some muka here.
Right. Okay, let's go.
Every man fire and temo, near done no years from Gopa. Miri Mako, of it, dear Miri Magune. And what I said, the dead, a Korea, you know. Mankind of Yan to Sukra, Sabre, Bob, than me, Bonono. Miku, me woman, no. Me, any met me, Bia. Metwana, this year's so, and I'm your dodging dear. I feel your titi me. I feel your army. What's in the class in book? A woman in tear. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. You come on, me ramo. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know. Titi, baby.
Be honest.
The guy who rescued me from that uncivilized rider.
Oh, Oscar. Good day, Sylvia. How are you? Okay. Oh, thanks so much for saving my daughter's life. Glad I was able to make that day. And I'll find something to drink.
Get you anything to drink?
Anything?
Sure.
So, the name is Oscar. She kept telling me about you. Is that all you want? Yeah. Is that right? I've been talk when the things are out.
Dad, hey! Guess what? What? You don't want to know. Oscar has proposed to marry me. Wow! Really? Yeah! Daddy, come on, please. All I need is just your approval, please. Please.
My daughter. You see, to every man and woman comes a moment to decide. And if you have decided to marry each other, I am left with nothing but to celebrate.
Thank you, I'm happy for you. Thanks, Daddy.
Welcome.
God, I can't believe that.
Okay. There's one thing I want you to do for me. Invite Oscar home tomorrow, so that we can all talk. So that your mother and I get to know him better.
Oh, I would do that. That's true.
No, I don't want you to get drunk.
Oh,
my daughter.
Daddy, you know what? I'm just gonna go in my room. I can't believe that. I need to relax. Oh, jeez. See you later.
Okay, take care, my baby.
Oh, man.
She's so excited. Thank God for his blessings.
Good news.
Yeah, it is. Really good news. Well, let's toast to it.
Very good. Thank you so much, sir. I want you to know I'm going to give Cynthia so much. Okay?
Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. I can't believe this.
Oscar.
Sir.
Cynthia tells me you are a graduate.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh. So you have a few years of working experience?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good. I have decided to make you my assistant manager.
Is that okay?
Good. So you can start working next week, and I'll make a car available at your disposal.
Sir, a car for me? Yes, a car for me. Sir, thank you so much.
Okay, I'm good. Let's get there. Where is Cynthia? Cynthia!
So much.
I believe what Cynthia tells me that you will take good care of my daughter.
Oscar. Let's go. Look, I know you're a man of God. But let me tell you, Pastor, I'm not going to move an inch to Ebina's house. You can take her away if you wish. After all, I didn't ask her to go and lie.
Well, I cannot blame you for that. But as a man of God, it is my responsibility. I have no option than to take her to her village house.
You can take her away. I'm going to bush.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Well, Mr. Minter and Mrs. Minter, we are here tonight on behalf of my dear sister here.
Sit down.
Oh, very okay. Thank you very much. Avina, I hope you'll find a place in your heart to forgive our sister here, Asantua. She lied to you about Oscar.
What lies?
She was never pregnant.
What?
For Oscar.
You mean she was never pregnant for Oscar? Orlando, are you sure of what you're saying?
Asantua, have I ever lied to you before? Asantua, look, you're my only sister. Remember, whatever I do, I do in her interest. Look, listen, Alvina is ready to accept me back. But the only problem is Oscar.
Do you think this is gonna work? What other evidence do you have to make Alvina believe that what I'm gonna say is true?
Listen to me. Listen, Asantua. Oscar can never ever deny that he slept with you before. Look, you are carrying his baby. So how can Alvina say that she doesn't believe what you are saying? Asantua, please do this for me. I know it will work.
I really don't like this idea. But for your sake, I'll do it.
Wow. Why did he do that?
She didn't want to lose Oscar.
Laila.
I can't believe this. I can't. You mean Oscar was innocent? Hey, Asantua. How can you be so heartless? How?
You know, my dear sister, that is why we are here tonight. She was misled by the devil. Please, all we are saying is, to err is human, to forgive is divine. So please, find a place in your heart to forgive her and accept her apology.
God forbid! God forbid! Shiake!
Please, madam.
We didn't have somewhere to say. When you saw from an edge, when you may be pay. We'll be with you only what the account. What time I could be once and one cast away.
Don't talk like that.
I'm scared of you. I've already forgiven her.
Are you sick? Are you sick?
It's alright.
God bless you, my child.
Hey, God, I'm blessing me, cry me pay. So God, I'm blessing me, cry me pay. What did you impress someone to say? If you see her, so God, I'm blessing me, now you forgive me. How do you forgive me? I'll show you where you're check.
sorry for what I did to you. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry. Because I've put everything behind me. She can't see I'm doing really fine here. Really fine. So please.
I should have known the traits of Asantua. Evil brother.
What do you mean? I don't understand you. What did you say?
Asantua just confessed that she was never pregnant. They conspired to frame me up. Please forgive me. Please, I love you. Please take me back. I love you. Please.
I knew something was wrong somewhere. I just couldn't figure it out. I knew. Listen to me. Listen.
Oscar, I love you more than before, please.
So we are displaced. We can't wake up together. We can't.
Please, we can't.
You can reach don't get married.
Get married to Mom, Oscar.
Cynthia, wait, Avina, not this, Cynthia.
Really? You again?
Cynthia, what are you doing here?
What am I doing here?
What are you doing, my boyfriend? As I asked you a question, but you put the question back to me. What do you think?
It's okay, hey! It's okay! What is going on? It's okay.
Listen, Oscar! I don't ever want to see you
with that prostitute you call a friend again.
Do you know that girl? Huh? Where do you know that girl from?
Just move! Oh my God. I can't believe that.
Cynthia, listen to me. Where do you know that girl from?
Where do I know her from?
Nana Oga, Top K.
Is up here on the beat.
When you die me, when you die me, when you die me, oh, and everyone is so. When you die me, when you die me, when you die me, oh, and every damn you know, you shall see a fair, or that shall see it is a war. From I'm fire and temo, near don't know yes from Gopa. Miri Mako, of it, dear Miri Magune. And what I said, yeah, Eko ye jede na go you know. Mankind have been to sukra. Sebre bobe dame me bonyono. Me kume homano. Me ye ni meti mi bia. Me twana disi yazo. Ena me da jinji. I feel your titi me. I feel your
I'm sick of you. I can't let you walk away from me. You're the only man I truly love.
Now listen to me. I love you, Cynthia. I'm confused. You should have trusted me when I suppose accusing me of nothing.
Oscar, I was also confused with the video tape. You said,
You understand what I'm saying? You don't understand. You don't. Listen, to leave Cynthia now, very difficult. Very difficult. Because for whatever I am now, by the courtesy of my parents, how do you expect me to live like this all the time? Come on. I can't leave him. I can't leave him. In fact, I owe him my life. In fact, my name, Oscar. How do you expect? How I love you.
how much does it take to buy your love? A house? A car? An apartment? If your love is for
all this? Nonsense your wife, nonsense you yourself, and nonsense including your daughter, Mrs. Cynthia.
Then your useless wife and that prostitute of a daughter you have been close.
Look at this uncultured civilized people.
Cynthia.
Who invited you here? Bring it. Bring it. Say so. Yes.
I hope you and your family will find a place in your heart to forgive me.
That's okay. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. That's okay.
Yes. Tall, sweet and tall.
That is the only woman I can truly love.
Wow, Shida! Are you alright? Oscar! Who are you talking about, Oscar? I beg you! How dare you?
You people are always losing. You are losing.
Mom, let me tell him what I feel.
What can you say?
I'm not talking to you. Are you going out of your mother meeting?
The hospital. For goodness sake.
So what? It is your mother and your father who are going out of their senses. I beg you now.
Listen, I will never forgive you and answer her. Now, I can't stand here and listen to them talking rubbish.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
And the show on yay! Assuming your was all your was it.
What did he say? Mr.
Thank you, Oscar.
You are the only woman I can truly love.
Well, daughter.
You should be proud of me.
I'm happy for you.
Are you for a show? Look at God. What a show. Please let me speak, Colleen. Make sure everything gets inside, okay? Trust me, please close the door.
Nana Oga, Nana Oga, Nana Top K.
Is up here on the beat.
When you die me, when you die me, when you die me, oh, and everyone is so. When you die me, when you die me, when you die me, oh, and every damn you know. You shall see a fair, or that shall see it is a war. And from on fire and tamo, near done no years from Gopa. Mirimako, of it, dear Mirimagune. And what I said, yeah, the dead, I go get you, and I go, you know. Mankind have yet to Sukra, separate poor better than me, boy, you know. Mikume, woman, no. Me, any met me, Bia. Metwana, this year, so, and I'm your dodging, dear. I feel your titi me. I feel your army. What's in the class in book? A woman in tear. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know now. When you're running, I don't know. You young come on me, Ramo. When you're running, I don't know. When you're running, I don't know now. When you're running, I don't know. I titi baby. When you die me, when you die me.